Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux once again. Today I am again came back with one of my favorite growth stock trading strategy. This is based on the CAN-SLIM method, which was created by William J. O'Neill, and it is in detail explained in his book How to Make Money in Stocks. The book is a must read for any positional trader, and today I'm going to demonstrate a simplified implementation for CAN-SLIM strategy specifically for Indian stocks that includes a free screener which will help you to identify the stocks, and then we will talk about how we can trade in these stocks effectively. So stay tuned till the end of this video and I can assure you that you will be getting something awesome today. Alright, so let's get started. So what is CAN-SLIM first of all, basically? So let's just spend a couple of minutes on what is CAN-SLIM. This is one of the best stock screening filters which you can identify. This is for the investing system which you can use for creating your own stock portfolio. And these parameters were quantified by William J. O'Neill, which basically talks about the techno-fundamental analysis of a particular company, and he did extensive research for about 130 years data on US stocks. And the stocks which historically meet the guidelines given by CAN-SLIM are the stocks which in majority created a lot of alpha or a lot of rewards for the investors. The beauty of this setup is that even a part-time trader, even someone who is doing his own other venture, be it a business or a job, can also very well trade onto the stocks. It is not a pure fundamental analysis and long-term investing thing. Rather, CAN-SLIM is something in between, basically. So it is not a long-term investing thing. It is not a pure trading as such as well. The fundamental idea is basically that you will be identifying stocks which are into the growth trajectory, which are the leaders into their segment, and then at a opportune time you will be entering into those stocks, creating positions and creating a long-term portfolio which can last anywhere between 3 months time to up to 3 to 5 years, and you will see some tremendous growth into these stocks basically. Okay, so I'm not going into the very details of what the overall setup of CAN-SLIM is, because if you are really interested into that entire setup, I would highly recommend that you should go and purchase this book from Amazon. It is available on Amazon, and if you see that this is one of the best sellers. The method which has been covered into this book works tremendously well. It's an amazing method, and basically a quick CAN-SLIM scan basically talks about the current earnings of an organization or a company, where the EPS of current quarter is about 25% higher than the EPS of last 1 year, like previous 1 year back the quarter was. And then the annual earnings should be about 5 years average should be about 25%. Then you should be trading a stock which is about 15% of its 52-week high. So it is in the range of about 15% of its 52-week high. And then a good supply is available. The stock should be leader in its segment, then having good relative strength index right now. Also, it should be having good holding of the promoters as well as institution should be holding this particular stock. So we will identify, nothing to be worried about as such, because you need not to do any sort of manual scanning in this entire process. It has been very much simplified for all of you. So without going into more details of the theory, as I mentioned that for CAN-SLIM, if you want to understand the theory, you can definitely go for this book. It is an amazing read. I would highly recommend for anyone who is really interested into creating a long-term portfolio and betting on the growth stocks should be always starting with this book. This is the one of the best available over out there actually. So what I have done today is that I have created a CanSlim scanner on a website called screener.in. I'm sure that anyone who is interested into fundamental analysis in Indian equity segment understands that screener.in is one of the best actually in terms of creating scanners for fundamental parameters. So I have created a scanner which is called CanSlim. I will provide a link of this scanner into the description box for all of you so that you can just go to the scanner directly and run this scanner. If you see over here, by default it will give you certain stocks. So I have put in all these parameters which I was talking about into the presentation over here, and this is like one of the simplest version of it. So you just need to go and run this query and you will find these stocks. So if you see, I have put in about 23 stocks have been given by this screener right now over here. And if you want to exclude the current quarter's results, then you can exclude it and you will get an extended list of say about 134 stocks which fulfills the criteria right now. These are all stocks which are into the growth territory, having good fundamentals from quite some time and kind of leaders into their segment basically. So you can start analyzing depending on how many stocks you would like to pick for trading. Now again, understand this thing that this is a long-term trading screener, not a pure fundamental screener where you would be doing really long-term investing, say 5 years to 10 years investing is not the objective over here. We would be staying into the stocks depending on these fundamental criterion, and on top of that, what we are going to do, we will be doing some sort of technical analysis also, which will help us to identify where we should be taking our trades. All right, so 23 results, quite a small list compared to about 1600 odd stocks listed on NSE. So we have like a short list of these stocks which we can analyze and we can identify when to add these stocks into our portfolio. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. What you have to do is, once you get the list of stocks over here, you can do a thorough fundamental screening or scanning of these particular stocks on screener.in itself. No need to go anywhere else. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll just randomly pick some of the stocks. So let me just pick Mindtree, just for an example, quite a happening stock, a lot of news around this stock from quite some time. And this is over here. If you see, you can find all basic fundamental parameters over here. Then you can check what the price is doing for this particular stock. So for CanSlim trading, what we are going to do is, my analysis period for a stock would be 1 year. This is good enough for us to determine to take a trade for next say 90 days up till 1 year, 1.5 years. I can trail my stop losses and ride a winner basically. So if you see, there are few things which we have to very observe very closely on each chart while we are doing our rest of the fundamental parameters checking and all those things. This is the basic technical check which is available on Screener, that you can plot a 50 period daily moving average and a 200 period daily moving average on this chart itself. And the key characteristic to identify whether a growth stock given by this screener over here is really right now into the growth trajectory or not. What I want to see, a consistent uptrend into the stock's price from last 1 year, a consistent uptrend. Okay, so your stock should not be having a lot of zigzag moves basically. It should not be sideways, and of course it should not be having a lot of deep corrections. So this looks to be a perfect stock, which almost from 1020 rupees to right now close to 2800 rupees, 2721 is the price right now. So tremendous perfect uptrend has been demonstrated by Mindtree from last 1 year. On top of that, the second scan which I would like to do is that this 20 period moving average 20 DMA, 50 period moving average over here, the 50 DMA and the 200 period moving average should be going upwards and should be going away from each other. So if you see in this particular example, these two moving averages are going away from each other, and the distance between these two, the width between these two is increasing eventually. This is a perfect example to look for a stock which can give you tremendous returns in coming days. So this much technical analysis is only needed. Let's keep all the things very simple. And then comes, you can check all sort of pros and cons. You can do the peer comparison over here. I'm not going into the details of all these things. These are the checks which you should be doing in the hindsight. Okay, so you should be checking all these parameters before you enter into a stock. Also, you can look at the quarterly results, profit and loss statements, balance sheets. So quite an extensive research has been given by Screener.in over here, and you can keep on looking all these details to shortlist few stocks which are going to be your rock star stocks for coming months. All right, so this much is needed over here on Mindtree. Rest of the homework I am leaving on to you guys on fundamental parameters to check how the organization or a company which you have shortlisted is performing, and can you bet on this company for next 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, and then accordingly you can take the decision. So if we got like 23 over here right now, and we can extend the search as well, and we will get about 100 plus odd stocks. So you can do your background work on any of those. You can even select your certain segments or industry groups. So whether you want to invest into IT, or you want to invest into pharmaceutical companies looking at the future, you want to invest into say metals, then you can do some sort of sectorial analysis and then pick stocks from that particular sector from this screen. All right, so this much we have to do on Screener.in. Now when I will be taking a proper entry where my risk is identified, a limited risk and a high reward potential, so good probability of winning a trade, that is what I need to identify. And to identify that, we will be going on TradingView. This is my favorite platform to check a lot of parameters. And on tradingview.com, select the daily time frame, because this is going to be a little long term trade for you. This is proper positional trade. So what you have to do is you have to analyze on daily time frame, slightly higher time frame basically. So I'm not going to trade for 90 days or 6 months on the basis of a 15-minute chart. Doesn't make any sense. All right, so right now if you see, this is Nifty's chart and clear uptrend has been visible from last almost a year over here. Let's go to Mindtree, and no detailed technical analysis is needed. We don't need a lot of indicators over here. We will keep our system as simple as possible, and we will be using certain parameters, certain checks before identifying a territory, a range where we should be taking the entry into Mindtree. What has happened into last 1 year or so, that also I am going to cover, and then we will identify what were the good opportunities in Mindtree in the past days and where we can find good opportunity in the coming days. All right, so first of all, you just need to open the watch list area over here, and within the watch list area, if you see, it will show you a lot of good information about Mindtree. So first thing which I would like to look at, and now don't look for anything which is a very short term thing. Okay, so 5 minute, 15-minute daily time frame, what has happened like last month, last week, what has happened, don't worry about all those things. First of all, we need to check this particular parameter, a 52-week range. And as CanSlim prescribes that your stock should be ideally within the 15% range over here. Okay, so bottom to top of 52 weeks, and your stock should be right now trading somewhere around 15% of this range. Perfectly fits. Mindtree is perfectly fitting over here. All right, and then you will be looking for some fundamental parameters over here as well. Really good information available with a pictorial view over here on the charts. So if you see Mindtree from last 4 quarters, the estimated earning compared to the actual earning, and what was the surprise element. So it was like 8.44% upside. The actual performance was 8.44% upside than the street estimates. Okay, here it's 23%, here it's 5.84%, and here it's 9.13%. So this particular stock last 1 year is exhibiting excellent results which are better than the estimates of industry. Okay, so this is one of the good sign for us. And if you see these gray dots over here, all these gray dots over here are basically representing what was the estimate and what is the estimate for next quarter over here. Okay, so for Q2 it has been again on the growth trajectory. The estimation is higher than the previous quarter. Okay, so this looks good. Then you go to the income statement and select the quarterly income statement over here. So if you see the revenue is pretty much consistently marginally growing, the blue bars, and if you see the net income is also growing quarter on quarter. Even the profit margin is pretty stable. So given all these parameters over here, looks that Mindtree is going to perform pretty good in coming days as well. All right, and if you see the price performance in last 1 year, the price of the stock has been raised 168.61%, and all my technical parameters combined, if you see, this stock is in the buy territory. So no need to go into what my moving averages are saying, what my relative strength is saying, what other XYZ, MACD, these, that, 100 different parameters need not to be checked. Don't get yourself confused. On combined all technical parameters, this stock is exhibiting quite good bullishness right now. So this is a good candidate for me to add into my portfolio for mid to long term. Now let's look at the chart where I can take a good entry in Mindtree. So if you see, Mindtree is in a uptrend, and if you see, this uptrend is clearly identifiable with the help of few simple trend lines. Okay, so if you check this thing now, what has happened is basically stock was in an uptrend, and then the acceleration happened. Basically, a lot of good accumulation, lot of good long green candles in volume over here. So for sure, this much volume, this much buying is being done by institutions. So big people are investing into this script, and this is a good sign for us. Even very recently, after announcing its earning, if you see, with amazing volume, it once again spiked up. Now, what are the good areas for me to take the entries? Of course, I will trade along the trend. So if you see, these are all good areas for me to take entries. When I'll be taking my next entry? I'll be taking my next entry when the stock will exhibit some sort of retracement, a retracement towards this particular trend line. I'll try to identify a good support area, identifiable stop loss, and when the odds will be in my favor, I will take an entry in Mindtree. So if you see right now with this particular trend line, about 2600, 30, 40 is a good area for taking a fresh entry into Mindtree. Now with all these previous entries, if you could have taken trades, let's just take some examples so that the concept is very clear to all of you. So this was a good long entry, and I could have kept my stop loss just below this trend line over here. And if you see what kind of tremendous return Even if you are actually trailing and up till this particular swing high, if you trade the stock, it was 1 is to 10 risk to reward ratio given. And what was the duration in which it has given this risk to reward ratio? If you see 73 trading days, the stock has moved from 1400, 15, 20 odd levels to 2200 levels. This was one of the great trade. Then you could have taken this particular trade as well. Keep your stop losses as small as possible, just below the trend line on daily closing basis. So one full candle has to close below my trend line, and if it is hitting my stop loss, I would be exiting my trade by taking that small stop loss, and I'll look for the next opportunity. This is part of the game. So stocks which are actually in the growth trajectory may sometime would give you a reversal, and in the reversal we will hit our stop loss, which is all right. As long as we are keeping the stop losses small, profit targets huge, it is all good to even trade with a 50% success rate. I can tell you with my experience, CanSlim will give you more than 70% success rate. If you are doing the analysis the way I am explaining, it will be working absolutely fine. All right. So if you see over here, how many trading days? 30 odd trading days, stock has moved from 1615 odd level to 2200 plus. It's all about identifying right entry levels and taking our trades at the place where the stock is taking support. So if you take this trade as well, you could have even trailed this particular trade up till this point, till now, and it is 1 is to 7 risk to reward ratio in how many days? In about 43 days you are actually having 1 is to 7 risk to reward ratio. So last entry on this second last entry on this stock was around 2115 odd levels, and it went up till 2700. So look how beautifully this works. Okay, let's just quickly have one more example so that the concept is very clear, and then you can apply this thing. Everything which I am going to teach, which I am going to cover into my videos, can be back tested with the help of screeners, and it works tremendously well. If something which doesn't work, I will never share with any one of you. This is pure gold, guys, and you must apply this thing if you are a serious long-term trader. If you want to be a serious long-term trader, a profitable long-term trader, all these concepts needs to be applied and things will work beautifully well. So let's go back to screener.in and let's look for something else, some other stock which is from some other segment, basically other sector. So I'll pick Asian Paint. Okay, and if you see Asian Paints, again all the fundamental analysis points over here, and even if you see over here, the stock is exhibiting a consistent uptrend. In fact, it actually fell below the 50 period moving average, but is still quite a good holding about 200 period moving average. And if you recall, our key characteristic over here in CanSlim is that the market direction should be about 200 days simple moving average. So a clear sign over here, if a stock breaks below 200 period moving average, that's a place where you should get alert and you should not look for any more growth bet on that particular stock until and unless it actually come back up above the 200 period moving average and stays there. It again shows the exhibits the bullishness, and then only we can consider, but otherwise we will not. So in Asian Paints case, if you see over here, the stock actually broke below the 50 period DMA, but then it was always above the 200 period DMA in last 1 year. So another good stock which we can qualify for our trading purpose. Coming back to trading view, and let's check Asian Paints daily chart. And if you see, What beautiful move has been given by Asian Paints. Now if you see, this is a trend line which is a long-term trend line and a perfect about 45-degree angle, upwards angle trend line over here. This, if you are a conservative trader, you can wait for an entry up till the Asian Paints actually retraced back to this trend line. All right, but if you are an aggressive trader, what you can do, you can slightly upwards sloping trend line which has been exhibiting into the recent days is this. Okay, so you can take a entry when the stock price reaches into this area or in this area, depends on how conservative or aggressive you are as a trader. Both looks good because in the recent time this smaller trend line, the shorter time frame trend line, is also exhibiting good support over here. Stock is in clear uptrend, and if you see how many tremendous opportunities were given by Asian Paints, 1, 2, in fact even in this area, because this was a double bottom in an uptrend, this area, this whole area was a good entry zone for Asian Paints. And each one of these trades, I'm not going to draw once again, like if you have taken a bullish entry over here with a stop loss somewhere a little below like this, what could have been your potential of profit. So 1:20 risk to reward ratio has been given. In how many days? This one example I am going to cover, and then we will be moving on. Basically, I don't want to extend the video way too long. So about 142 bars, about 6 months time. Okay, and if you see in within the 6 months time, stock from 1600 to 2800. So big potential gainers you will be gaining in such a scenario. And then we will look for Asian Paint as well. Once again, it will come into these territories over here for some long entries. Each stock which is in the growth territory will exhibit this amazing sign over here. If you see that every time the stock has retraced downwards and started upward journey once again, every single time it was backed by tremendous volume. Who is bringing this volume? This volume is brought in by all the institutions. Once you get these things identified, you can definitely bet on these stocks. One more thing which you have to check, again, stock is in the growth territory. It is in the 15% range of its 52-week high. And if you see, always surprise element is given in last 4 quarters. Surprise, 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 surprise. If you see quarterly results as well, the revenues are stable, the income is stable, the profit margins are slightly declining in case of Asian Paints, but you know what is the reason behind that. And fundamentally stock is pretty strong. If you see performance wise, 81% gains in last 1 year, and technical parameters also suggest that this stock you should be looking for a buy entry on your chart. So this much for today's video. If you like the content, please like the video, share the video across your friends, across your known people, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned till the time I bring in a new video for all of you. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.